In this lecture, we will have a high-level overview of app publishing to the Apple App Store. In this lecture, we are not covering the build-making process of iOS. Open your App Store Connect account and click on My Apps. Click on this plus button to add a new app. Select the platform of your app, iOS, and enter the name of your app. Choose the language. Select English US. Select the app bundle and enter the SKU. It's just to remember the app name. You can write the app name with the dashes. Space is not allowed. And click on Create. Add all the required description according to your app and also screenshots of your app. Keywords are important to search the app. A support URL can be a Facebook page of your game. Once you will upload your build using the Xcode, it will be displayed here in the build section. You can select your build from this. After selecting the build and completing these basic informations, in the price section we can choose the price of our game. Is it a free game or a paid game? Adding a privacy policy page is also important in iOS. You need to add your game privacy policy URL here. We have covered all the important settings, but you can take a look around. Now I'm going to show you already published app data so you can have a better idea. Here you can see all the basic informations and tags, app icon and version number, list of game leaderboards and achievements, and at the bottom we can select when our app will be released after the review. Using these simple steps, you can release your app on the Apple App Store. Later in the bonus lectures, I will show you the process of making iOS build. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lecture.